I'm going to go ahead and give them a quick sanding. Now it's time to paint. I'm going to add the contact paper to the handles. I'm going to cut a piece large enough to cover the entire top. And then I'm going to use this utility knife to trim out the middle. I'm going to lay down a smaller piece of contact paper. I want to add some cute little labels. I'm thrilled that I no longer have to look at the supplies in these drawers. Or grab one of these inexpensive plastic bins. I want to make sure that the surface is roughed up a bit. I'm going to give it a coat of white paint. I'm using a chip brush, and then I just lightly sweep it across the surface. And I can even create some faux knots with the glaze as well. Now that the paint and glaze are completely dry, I want to fancy up the handles a little bit. I've grabbed some of this thick twine and I'm going to wrap it around each one. I love how pretty this plastic bin looks now. You wouldn't even know it's the same one.
It's time to grab your favorite inexpensive bucket. We got to get those handles off. Flip it over. Just go ahead and set it down there and just mark it with a pencil. Just use your favorite saw. Next, stick them on there. Then you can use some hot glue. Press it against the plastic. So do that to both pieces. So just take your drill and put it right in. Now it's time to put on the wheels. We're going to mark it and we're going to drill it. Take that hot glue and put the leg on. I grab this twine, just stick it right on there. Just go ahead and set it all the way around. A little bit of your inexpensive fabric, worked my way down with that hot glue and kept folding it over. It's going to cover all that plastic. Get that glue right on that and just mark it down. Look at this. This is going to be a great container.
I started at Dollar Tree, the storage containers. 2-pack of placemats, glued them to the fronts of the fabric square containers. Evenly put on the one side and then tucked the 2 ends on each side. I put the front down with the hot glue like I did on the cloth cube, pulled the sides down around to each side. So I hope this inspires you to try your hand at some upcycling storage containers.
Scrunch the paper a little. You can add any colours together, and then I'm going to shake it over my paper. Now I'm going to take my spray and I'm going to soak the whole sheet. So now I'm actually going to speed up the drying process with my hairdryer and stick this on the whole piece. Clear shelf liner, press that down, pull the backing paper away, put some glue on the front of this. I'm going to place my piece of tissue, and here is my finished drawer.